Okay, it's like 6:30 in the morning.
5,001 if he can not bust ass while ollieing up this curb. I'll give you a $1,000.
Oh my god, it's too early for these shenanigans. All right, we're about to eat at the original pancake house. Don't know what it is, but Neil said it's good.
Get my syrup on.
They literally have a whole container just for that.
There you go. And you gotta do shit now. Just wait to fill up.
Delish.
Look, it's making like a little pancake roll.
Grandpa, how are we getting there?
Okay, so one of these green buses.
Alright, we're lost.
Start up.
Alright, so basically we are completely lost. We just got to the train station. I can literally see my breath in here. I guess they don't know what heat is. And he's blowing all his money.
I'm trying to.
Hey, English.
Oh, you're short.
What the heck?
It's a nice Pepsi Cola.
Alright. We're lost. Alright, O'Neil, what are we doing if we're lost?
Marco Polo.
Marco Polo. So
Marco.
we are about to get on the train, but we're different cart numbers. So when we're lost, we have to say Marco Polo and we'll hear each other. Mine is up there, I think. Okay, so we finally made it. I don't even know if this is Seoul or not, but this is freaking stressful. We just came off the subway train and we made it, I think. I don't know, but up there is McDonald's. So we're gonna go exploring. I don't know what you're saying, but okay. Maybe if I click it 10 more times, maybe it'll go faster.
They were just walking, feeling you look really stupid.
Right? They're like all chill.
Stupid Americans.
Any of this is. Look how small this is. I can't even fit my backpack through there. Is he dead? It's good.
Masita Seo.
Masit Seo. Say thank you. Gamsahamnida.
Gamsahamnida. You can haul ass on this. Look at this.
Please tell me what you are doing.
Ass, bro.
I'm working my
Oh my goodness.
It's something, it works your back and thighs. That's what it shows on the picture.
Put our thumbs out, is that a thing?
Oh, fuck me!
Oh my god.
I was not ready for that. This is really cool. We're extremely high up in the mountains right now. We're in like a little tower up in the mountains. Alright, so we just found a workout place at the bottom of this, whatever you call it. At the bottom of the big tower. We just walked down instead of taking the sky lift. And there's literally a workout place.
He's not there. Oh, there he is.
Oh, I see a McDonald's.
Oh, Converse.
There's a 3-story building full of shoes.
Oh, is this
Yeah, it's exactly what I thought it was. Exactly what I thought it was.
I was trying to shake his hand.
Sex toy shop, free gift.
Oh my god.
A
It's a
warming
free
condom.
It's a free condom. Hell yeah. Where's this place at?
He's a fucking condom.
There's a condom in the streets. He's talking to little kids.
Why, bro? Why? What is happening right now?
They just gave me a warming condom.
I knew it was too. I was like, it's gotta be.
No. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That smells so good.
Oh, it should be warm.
Bruh. We just got, I don't know what the heck it says.
It's white topping cream. It's frosting.
No. But it's a Oreo churro. I've never had one before, but first time. Cat Cafe. Okay. All right. Follow the leader. Oh God, that is Trish. I did the same thing. I did the same thing. Wait, I think. Okay. I had both hands on fire. Ew, this is getting sketchy. That's the 5th floor. Wrong floor. Fifth floor. Fifth floor.
Hey, it's the 5th floor, Casey. Oh, I'm sorry. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
God, why is this so sketchy all of a sudden? Welcome to Myeongdang Cafe.
Oh my God. Wait.
Hold on.
Yeah, I'm here.
What?
Change your shoes
That's
first.
custom. That's customs. That's customs.
Change your shoes first.
Oh my god, we're gonna play with cats.
Wait, do we put these on?
Yes. Do you?
Yes.
You have? Is that?
It's a BMW i8.
It's dusty. That thing's been sitting here. What even?
One house, no shirt, no blouse, just us. You find out.